How to disable Let's finish setting up your device screen on Windows 11. What's up everyone? If you have been getting this screen while you boot your computer up, then that probably means that your device is relatively new and you haven't completed your setup. So in order to get rid of this screen, what you need to do first is click on Remind Me Later, which will boot up your computer. So now what you have to do here is go ahead and right click on the Windows icon and then click on Settings. Once your settings is open, go ahead and click on the System Settings and then click on Notifications. So here you will see all of the apps that you've allowed notifications for, and once you scroll past the list of apps, you will see additional settings. Click on this drop down and you will see these three options. Just make sure to turn off all of these three options and then close your settings. Once you close everything, just right click and refresh everything and then restart your device from here. Once you restart, your problem should be fixed. If you found this helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.